Coffee. I drink coffee every morning. Milk. My brother doesn't like milk. Tea. She is making tea for everyone. Bubble tea. Bubble tea is sweet. It is typically made with tea milk or fruit and chewy tapioca pearls. Coke. They serve Coke at the party. Coke is a drink with a cola flavor, made by the Coca-Cola brand. Green tea. Green tea is very healthy. Water. She needs a glass of water. Smoothie. She made a delicious smoothie. Smoothie is a drink made from blended fruits or vegetables. Mineral water. She prefers mineral water. Mineral water is water that comes from a natural source and contains minerals like calcium, magnesium, or sodium. Milkshake. She drinks a chocolate milkshake. Milkshake is a sweet drink made by blending milk, ice cream, and flavorings, like chocolate or fruit. Soy milk. I like soy milk in my coffee. Soy milk is a drink made from soybeans and water. Lemonade. She made fresh lemonade for the picnic. Lemonade is a sweet and sour drink made from lemon juice, water, and sugar. Juice. I like orange juice. Juice is a drink made from fruit or vegetables. Almond milk. I buy almond milk for cooking. Almond milk is a drink made from almonds and water. Hot chocolate. I like hot chocolate. Hot chocolate is a warm drink made with milk or water and chocolate. Iced tea. She always orders iced tea at the cafe. Iced tea is cold tea served with ice. Mojito. She drinks mojito with her friends. Mojito is a cocktail made with rum, lime, mint, sugar, and soda water. Punch. We had fruit punch at the party. Punch is a sweet, fruity drink, often served at parties, made with juice, soda, and sometimes alcohol. Matcha. I love drinking matcha lattes. Matcha is a powdered green tea made from specially grown tea leaves. Beer. He likes light beer. Beer is an alcoholic drink made from grains like barley. Herbal tea. She made a cup of herbal tea. Herbal tea is a drink made from the leaves, flowers, or roots of plants. Wine. He drank a glass of red wine with dinner. Wine is an alcoholic drink made from fermented grapes or other fruits. Americano. I drink an Americano every morning. Americano is a coffee made with hot water added to espresso. Cappuccino. She likes cappuccino with extra foam. Cappuccino is a coffee made with espresso, steamed milk, and milk foam. Champagne. She opened a bottle of champagne. Champagne is a bubbly wine often used for celebrations. Cocktail. She enjoyed a sweet cocktail. Cocktail is a drink made by mixing alcohol with juice or soda. Energy drink. I need an energy drink to stay awake. Energy drink is a type of drink with caffeine and other ingredients to give you energy. Espresso. I love the taste of espresso. Espresso is strong coffee made with hot water and ground coffee beans. Protein shakes. I made a protein shake for breakfast. Protein shake is a drink made with protein powder, milk, or water, often for fitness or health. Lassi. She ordered a glass of lassi with her meal. Lassi is a traditional Indian drink made with yogurt, water, and spices or fruit. Latte. He makes a perfect latte every morning. Latte is a coffee drink made with espresso and steamed milk. Ginger ale. I like ginger ale with ice. Ginger ale is a sweet, fizzy drink with ginger flavor. Bloody Mary. I like to drink a Bloody Mary on Sundays. Bloody Mary is a cocktail made with vodka, tomato juice, and various spices and flavorings such as Worcestershire sauce, hot sauce, and lemon. Cider. He drank cider at the party last night. Cider is an alcoholic drink made from fermented apple juice. Cosmopolitan. He enjoys his Cosmopolitan with no ice. Cosmopolitan is a cocktail made with vodka, triple sec, cranberry juice, and lime juice. Daiquiri. A daiquiri is a refreshing summer drink. Daiquiri is a cocktail made with rum, lime juice, and sugar, typically served shaken or blended with ice. Iced coffee. He added milk to his iced coffee. Iced coffee is a coffee served cold, often mixed with ice, milk, or sweeteners. Irish coffee. He drinks Irish coffee in winter. Irish coffee is a hot coffee drink with whiskey, sugar, and cream on top. Mai Tai. She loves the sweet taste of Mai Tai. Mai Tai is a tropical drink made with rum, lime, and almond syrup. Manhattan. He made a perfect Manhattan at home. Manhattan is a drink made with whiskey, vermouth, and bitters. Masala chai. He loves the sweet and spicy taste of masala chai. Masala chai is a spiced tea made with black tea, milk, sugar, and a mix of spices like cinnamon, cardamom, and ginger. Margaritas. They served margaritas with chips and salsa. Margarita is a popular cocktail made with tequila, lime juice, and orange liqueur, typically served with a salted rim on the glass. Martini. I don't like my martini too strong. A martini is a cocktail made with gin and vermouth, usually garnished with an olive. Mimosa. He ordered a mimosa with his breakfast. Mimosa is a cocktail made with equal parts of champagne and orange juice. Fruit punch. We served fruit punch at the birthday party. Fruit punch is a drink made with mixed fruit juices and can sometimes include soda or alcohol for added flavor. Root beer. We have root beer in the fridge. Root beer is a sweet, non-alcoholic drink made with herbs, roots, and spices. It's popular in North America and often served cold. Soda. I drink soda with my pizza. Soda is a carbonated soft drink, often sweetened and flavored, commonly served chilled. Gin and tonic. We drank gin and tonic. Gin and tonic is a popular cocktail made with gin and tonic water, typically served over ice and garnished with a lime slice. Pina colada. He made a delicious pina colada. Pina colada is a tropical cocktail made with rum, coconut cream, and pineapple juice. Eggnog. I love eggnog during Christmas. Eggnog is a creamy drink made with milk, sugar, and eggs. It is often flavored with spices such as nutmeg and cinnamon, and can be served with or without alcohol.